पान पराग का सेवन सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है.
उरे बाबा.
Oh yes. No linguistic sentiments were meant to be hurt by this video. Kindly enjoy with a pinch of salt.
रुको. पता है पापा जी, एक रपेंजल थी, फिर वो मर गई.
La 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 la. Wait, that's not how the story goes. I'll tell you. Once upon a time, there was a princess.
And then, अरे उरी बाबा, no cursing in front of the kids.
रहने दे आदमी, तुझसे ना होगा, मने सुनाने दे.
Wait, wasn't the
Girl an orphan?
yeah? पर अम्मी जान, मैं तो अनाथ नहीं हूँ.
I am your mother. You listen to me. She was not an orphan when she was born. Her parents were very happy.
But before she was born, wasn't her mother dying or sick?
रे माँ मर गई तो कहानी खत्म ना हो गई.
Eh? Pagal.
Shut up, the lot of you. Now you listen, and you listen real good, okay? And the only person who talks is the one who has this, okay?
But ain't that the room freshener?
अरे चुप हो जा.
अरे.
Now that we're all in agreement, let me begin again. The story of Rapunzel, the golden-haired princess. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, a king and a queen were very sad. For all they wanted was not what they could have, a child. But then, lo behold, the queen fell pregnant, and their household rejoiced.
However, within a few days, the beautiful queen fell sick. No bhandar, no medicine could save her, and the king became sad and dejected.
Oh, so that's why our short king was so sad.
फिर राजा ने एक दिन ये बात याद आई कि एक झाटू हुई भुट्टी है जिसने खाने से सारी बीमारियां हो जावे खत्म. तो पूरे राज्य एक उस भुट्टी की खोज में पड़ गया. लेकिन पूरे राज्य नू एक बात पता ना थी.
अरे हाँ, एक विच थी ना जो उस पौधे के फ्लावर को यूज करती थी अपने आप को यंग रखने के लिए. हाँ, फिर जब राजा के सैनिकों को वो फूल मिला तब वो उसे रानी के लिए ले गए. फिर क्या हुआ था? अरे तुम्हारे की मोने नहीं. When they took the flower away, that bitch. Which? Okay. Was very angry. She huffed and she puffed like a dragon out there. But she was very smart, very very smart. वो एकदम रात के बीच में प्रिंसेस को उठा लिया.
Oh, yes. Now I finally remember. So, babe, listen up. Before kidnapping the princess had to be born. So when she was born, are you there with me? Yeah. So you see the baby had golden, serious 24-karat Bruno Mars golden hair. And all the witch wanted was the essence of the plant, right? So what does she go and do? She tried to cut a piece out of the baby's hair.
Yes, quite right, girl. Then the poor witch found out that the magical hair doesn't actually work that way. She understood that she would probably have to nick the child if she wanted the magic all to herself. So the stupid woman actually did that. She nicked the baby in the dead of night.
फिर क्या, वो आग लगी बस्ती में, विच अपनी मस्ती में. पूरा राज्य डूब गया दुख के सागर में और राजा रानी पागलों की तरह ढूंढ रहे थे अपनी बेटी को.
Sad तो हो गया, but then the witch kept and developed our princess Rapunzel like this amazing brand in the tower, secluded from human civilization. She fed her, watered her, and became her mother. वो adopted थी, but still. Anywho, anytime she wanted to use the magic, all she had to do was ask the girl to sing and then comb her hair. That's some bougie stuff right there.
एक मिनट, ये बूजी क्या होता है? Correct. But फिर बाबा रपुंजल बड़ा हो रहा था. She was so beautiful. But that evil bitch, was very selfish. She never let the poor girl out. फिर वो एकदम ऐसे simpleton रह गया. माने she was very unaware of the things that happens in actual world. माने how the world was as a whole. हाँ जी. फिर एक दिन राजकुमार आया और उसे मारकर चला गया.
Oh, good lord. Do pipe down, child. That is not how the story goes. So one day, a charming thief by the Flynn Rider stole a crown from the palace. The guards, obviously, chased him. Well, they did have the brave horse Maximus with them.
रे औरत थम जा, जरूरी घोड़ा ना है, जरूरी ये है कि अपना राजकुमार भगते भगते रपंजल भाभी की कोठी पे पहुंच गया। फिर वो किसी तरह अपनी बॉडी को घसीटते घसीटते ऊपर निकल गया। आर्म डे अच्छे से किया होगा भाई ने जिम पे।
Oh, that guy had unmatched riz, like God riz. Anywho, Rapunzel smashed his head open with a pan. The cast iron pan. Mother was mothering you all. Then when he woke up, he turned that riz on. If you know, you know.
हाँ, बट रपंजल दीदी एकदम अक्लमंद थी। उसने फ्लिन को अपनी एक बहुत जरूरी ख्वाहिश पूरी करने के लिए अपनी गैंग में भर्ती कर लिया।
है वो जो उसके बर्थडे पे खूब ढेर सारा लालटेन आसमान में दिखाता था, नहीं, वो उसको पास से देखना था। विचित्र बच्चा। Yes. Then the girl sent her mother away on a quest to find her the finest of paints. With Mother Dear away, she could sneak out with Boy Wonder to see her beloved wonderful lanterns. Now, can anyone remember why Flynn agreed to go with her?
यार तू बावड़ी हो गई है क्या? छोरी ने उसकी चोरी की मुकुट को चोरी कर लिया था।
The mother was mothering you all.
रे रुक भाई, तो छोरा छोरी निकल लिए लालटेन की खोज में। राजा की फौज और कुछ गुंडे बाके पीछे पड़ गए, लेकिन फ्लिन ठहरा अपना चतुर छोरा। चोरों और फौज से बचते बचाते दोनों छोरा छोरी पहुंच गए लालटेन के जन्म स्थान राजा के शहर।
Okay, history recap, guys. The king and the queen was so slay. They started this sort of plan. Each year, they would light up hot air lanterns. Guess when? Yeah, on the princess's birthday.
Yes, in hope that their lost daughter returned to their home. Poor them, but back to Flynn. His real name is actually Eugene, and Rapunzel. They frolicked for days and pondered on the philosophy of dreams. They sang and danced and fell in love.
हाँ मम्मी जी, वो दोनों बहुत खुश थे। और फिर यूजीन ने एक बोट ले ली। रात होते ही वो दोनों बोट लेकर नदी में चले गए। रपंजल बहुत खुश हुई थी, उसको वो लालटेन देखने को मिला ना। वो दोनों एकदम ऐसे गुलू गुलू हो गए थे। और फिर बोट टूट गई और सब मर गए।
अरे ये बच्चा किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, सबको हमेशा मारता रहता है। बेबी सुनो, they did not die. They were on the boat, but Flynn's accomplices called them ashore. He left the poor love-struck fool for some time. He was determined to start a new life with the woman. But देखो दादा, life never fair. He was in love.
हाँ जी, लेकिन रपुंजल की अम्मी जान ने यूजीन को चोर दोस्तों के साथ एक प्लान बनाया था। उसने यूजीन को बेहोश कर दिया। फिर अम्मी जान ने षड्यंत्र रचा। उसने रपुंजल को बोला कि यूजीन तो एकदम बेकार आदमी है, वो तुम्हारा कदर ही नहीं करता, छोड़ दो उसे। रपुंजल बेचारी बहुत रोई, लेकिन फिर ऐसे अम्मी जान के साथ वापस घर चली गई।
Yes. फिर उसका घर पहुंचकर ऐसा दिमाग चौकोर खा गया। पूरा बॉडी में ऐसा फीलिंग आ गया, भेट आमी तो इसका बच्चा ही नहीं है, आमी तो राजा का बच्चा है। माँ हमसे झूठ बोला।
और फिर अम्मी जान ने उसे मार दिया।
Alright, which mom now realized that she would resist, so she packed her up like a nice little parcel. What she did not anticipate was Eugene coming back from prison for the love of his life.
Wait. What? When did Eugene go to prison?
भाई नादान बालक है के, जब उसकी चुड़ैल अम्मा ने फ्लिन भाई को बेहोश किया होगा तब दे दिया होगा राजा की फौज को।
Yes, आप सब चुप होकर सुनेगा, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, चुप एकदम। When Flynn reached the top of the tower, that bitch, okay, stabbed him. बेचारा Rapunzel cried so much.
अरे रुको, अम्मी जान ने फ्लिन को मार डाला।
Oh God! Wait. Unpopular opinion. But the mother was a boss lady. She knew what she wanted and she took it. Like mother, you go girl.
Children, calm down. Rapunzel was sad, but she wanted to heal Flynn one last time. Then she had agreed to go peacefully with the witch, however much it hurt to leave him. She decided that it would be much better if she left peacefully with the woman after her demand was fulfilled.
फ्लिन भाई निकले इंटेलिजेंट बॉय। जब रपंजल भाभी उसके पास आई तब उसने काट दी उसके बाल।
उड़ी दादा, फिर तो फ्लिन मर गया होगा नहीं? फ्लिन मर कैसे सकता है? वो तो हमारा हीरो है।
तो देखो छोरी, अम्मा तो अपनी गई मर, लेकिन रपंजल भाभी हो गई घनी सैड।
Now she would be. Her boyfriend was about to drop dead. But you know what? He did not.
क्या भाई, रपंजल भाभी के आंसू टपक पड़े और फिर अपना फ्लिन भाई जिंदा हो पड़ा।
Baby girl shined. Then all well that ends well. Our Rapunzel went back to her parents. She married Flynn. They had babies. The whole yada bada.
हो गया अब? सुबह से चिल्ला रहा था स्टोरी सुनाओ, स्टोरी सुनाओ। हो गया, फिनिश, ओवर, डन।